And welcome back. Well, guess what? We were near average day, at least our high temperatures this afternoon. We topped down out in the mid-70s, 75 degrees to be exact. This morning's low, it was chilly outside in the lower 40s, a few upper 30s, especially to the northwest. Precipitation-wise, of course, nothing. We've been clear all day, and it's just been nice outside. Visible satellite, again, not showing any clouds really all across any of the surrounding states. The closest cloud we have are a few high clouds that are moving into Georgia, and that has been about it. So again, a very, very nice day. That's due in part to this high pressure that's now on off to our east. So that's going to stay there for a while, at least the next 24 to 48 hours. But what we are watching for is out to the west. Our next storm maker is just now starting to form out in the Rockies, and that's going to bring, unfortunately, a good amount of rain across our viewing area, with flash flooding being a concern. We'll talk more about that, though, in just a minute. Lows for tonight, going to be another chilly night, clear skies. Winds out of the east, 5-10 miles per hour. Temperatures dropping on down into the mid-40s, so maybe a few degrees warmer than last night. Again, when you have this dry air mass, and dry air mass dew points in the upper 30s in some locations, so that's a very, very dry air mass, you can cool the air very, very efficiently. And so that's, of course, while we're dropping 20 to 30 degrees overnight. So for your Thursday, mild conditions do return. We'll have those easterly winds along with us. So temperatures will be, again, near average in the mid-70s. Sunny and just a delightful Thursday. Overall, not too bad. Again, there's that dry air. Those yellows indicate the dry air. But let's look on off to the west. So notice how you can see we have this this northerly flow going into more of this westerly flow. This is the next storm maker beginning to form. So low pressure kind of just now sitting out in the southwestern corner of Utah. As this comes over the Rockies, what's going to happen is, of course, you have mountains, so the air column is compressed. When it gets on the opposite side here in the central plains, of course, they're near sea level, so the air column expands, and that's going to tighten up that low pressure some, help it strengthen. And at that same time, it's going to become co-located with some upper level features that are going to strengthen it. So this is going to bring through a cold front that not necessarily is going to be cold for us, but what's going to happen is we're going to have some Gulf moisture start to stream back from the south. And so this is going to be our setup as we're going into your weekend, really Friday to Saturday. Heavy rain all across pretty much the eastern third of the U.S. as that low traverses just on up to our north. So after all is said and done, we're looking at a good amount of rain here to fall across our viewing area. You can see going into your Friday, Saturday time frame, anywhere from 2 to 2.5, nearly 3 inches in some locations would be possible. So unfortunately, it's going to be a rainy start to your weekend. So get ready for that. 74 degrees for your Thursday, 70 for your Friday. So again, that cold front not dropping us too much. 72 for your Saturday. And as I extend this on out, you're going to see that when we go into next week, we get on a little bit of a roller coaster. We'll be in the lower 70s for both Sunday and Monday. A little cold front rolls on through Tuesday into Wednesday. That's going to drop our temperatures into the middle 60s. Potentially having another cold front on into your Thursday. That could drop temperatures into lower 60s by then.